so the bike is, and then put some another 3.5 inch plate underneath the kickstand there. That way the bike will be sitting perfectly level. Because when I drain this oil, I want every drop of it to get out, and then I want to go with that Motul. Motul. This is about 20 bucks a quart. It's way over my budget, but you know, I don't really ride that much. This oil will be inside the bike for probably 3 years. So, you know what I'm saying? Oil doesn't spoil, gentlemen. I might do 1,000 miles a year, if that. I mean, I got 1,100 miles on this bike right now. Let me tell you guys, one of the most fun things with this bike is working on it and just sitting here having a beer looking at it. Actually, I'm going to take it out quite a bit more. And I'll let you go. Just relaxing. The oil is easy on these bikes. I'll probably do that tonight. I don't know for sure. If not tonight, I'll do it in the morning when it's nice and cool. Back the car out. I'm not sure when I'm going to do it. I'm just relaxing right now and enjoying my life. It's just a beautiful day. We've got Pearl, the white car, is going out tomorrow, and Camry, the blue car there, is going out on Saturday. So, you know, Pearl's 5 o'clock tomorrow. I'll worry about her tomorrow. And then this old girl here, she goes out on Saturday. It'd be great if I could rent the other car this week, you know, same time while everything is rented. I've never had, obviously, I don't really particularly want to rent this car, but it'd be nice to have everything rented all at the same time. At least 4 of my vehicles at once would be fucking kind of cool. I've never had that. So it'd be kind of fun. But anyways, just beautiful, easy. Just relaxing, enjoying. I'm going to shut you off because I'm just very happy to have these lights done, and that's it.